Today I'm going to change oil on my generator Predator 4000, and in order to do that I put it on the moving dolly and shift it off in the front and support it with a tire breaker and put oil pan on the bottom. So I'll probably make a little mess, but that's okay as long as I don't put anything on the garage floor. By taking this screw drain plug out, and by the same time I like to show you this is the filler plug. We need to take both screws out and replace the oil. To do so we need simple tools. Instead of being specific, I will use adjustable wrench. Funnel is highly recommended due to difficulty to reach filler plug, and I will use 5W30. 10W30 is recommended. 5W30 if it's colder weather when we use generator, and this is September. I'm probably going to use it in a little bit cooler time, so I'm going to use 5W30. And of course we need some towels to clean up mess that we might eventually make. The screw is pretty long with small threads. And we'll just wait for all oil to come out. I did not use more than a couple of hours this oil, but because I changed it a couple of years ago, I am gonna just make sure that I am not using too old, time-wise too old oil, and I'm gonna replace it with new one. Capacity is about 0.6 quarts. It's a little over half quart, and best way to make sure that we have enough oil in is to go all the way up to top of the filler hole, and here is dipstick that we need to have oil on this thinner piece, and I will try to make it as close as possible to the top. Once draining is done, we need to put plug in tight and refill it. To refill it, I will stick funnel into filler hole, and I have just enough slope that I will be able to hold with one hand funnel and pour about 0.6 quarts into it. I'll not be able to record it because I need both hands and I don't have a stand for camera, but I will on the end show you the level that I have reached. It will be hard to show you this way amount of oil. I will have to use that orange dipstick and show you level that I have reached. Okay, let's see now where we are with the level. And it's hard to see on camera, but it is all the way to the top, which is what I want, and that will be a good level. All we need to do is turn it on and run it for a couple of minutes by turning the switch on, putting jog on, and start it. started very easy. I almost didn't need choke. And one more thing is left to check oil after all this cools down. But this is all what it takes to change oil on generator, in this case Predator 4000. Fairly simple, a little messy, but that's with any oil change. Thank you for watching. If you have comments or questions, let's share and make this better. Thank you very much.